Welcome to the Advanced Systems Evaluation Laboratory of Institute of Fluid Science, Tohoku University. I'm Toshiyuki Takagi. I'm a professor and I'm taking care of this laboratory. So in our laboratory, we work for education and research with three keywords. One is applied electromagnetics. Second, functional materials and functional systems. And the third is evaluation. So we use electric and magnetic field for sensing and actuation, and we make functional systems using functional materials with help of electric and magnetic field. And finally, we evaluate such functional systems using electromagnetic field. We must tackle very important issues: how we manage the aging of human beings and also artifacts. In here, sometimes the word quality of life is used in medical treatment. So in our research and education, we use this word, such as better quality of life of artifacts and also human beings. So we work for the study of carbon-based coatings. We fabricate these coatings and elucidate the functionalities of these coatings. So we fabricate this kind of crystallized diamond coatings, and also we fabricate amorphous diamond-like carbon films. So in our laboratory, we do these two kinds of coatings at the same time. In the case of diamond coatings, we found that friction between diamond and metals becomes very low in the case of very optimized surface roughness. So this can be used as a kind of slider, very smooth slider. So in this case, we don't use oil. In the case of diamond-like carbon films, we fabricate these coatings with metals, metal of nano-sized clusters. So this diamond-like carbon coatings becomes a kind of sensor for temperature and displacement. So if we coat the device with this kind of diamond-like carbon, this carbon coating becomes a kind of sensor as well as to protect the device which may be used in the human bodies. So this research is better quality of life of human beings. So we work for non-destructive evaluation and non-destructive testing using applied electromagnetics. Here we use this kind of coil, and if we add alternative electric current and the magnetic field is generated, and if it is close to the metals, induced current is generated in this metal. And this current can be changed by electromagnetic property of this kind of metals and shape and also defect inside the metals. This current is called eddy current, and this technique is called eddy current testing method. So we have been working for this eddy current technique for 20 years, and we proposed many ideas. Some of the techniques which developed are used in the nuclear power plants. So this research is very closely related to the better quality of life artifacts. We work for magnetic stimulation for human muscles and nerves. We use this kind of coil. We give very strong pulse current in this coil. Then magnetic field is generated, and if it is very close to the human body, current is induced in the muscles, and then the muscle moves by this stimulation. We are now developing the equipment In this case, the patient will give order to move these muscles. And the muscle moves by magnetic stimulation. So this is very closely related to the better quality of life of human beings. I am expecting our research result of basic technologies and devices which we work for will contribute to the inspection, diagnosis, and medical treatment and repair techniques for human bodies and also plants. I have a dream that our research result will contribute not only for the life duration, but also the improvement of a healthy life expectancy for human beings and also artifacts. I also have a dream that our researchers and students will be world-leading researchers and engineers in international projects in future.